Hi, how are you doing? It's Sarah Levigaga de Rodriguez and welcome to another episode of The Little Shot. Do you notice that making small talk can feel really awkward? Today, I'm going to break down 4 things you can do to look more confident when you're making small talk. Small talk is a funny thing. In English culture, it serves as social glue and can be the first step you need to take to make friends and influence people. The irony is, small talk often happens before a relationship is formed. It's the prelude to a conversation, and in some cases, it won't develop beyond small chit-chat into a heartfelt, deep, and meaningful. And this is one of the reasons why small talk can feel so uncomfortable. When we're in a real conversation, we start to feel at ease. In small talk, however, we touch the surface and speak without much topic depth. This is why it's normal to feel really awkward. So today I want to talk about 4 core things you can do that will instantly make you look more confident when you're making small talk. And once you know you look more confident, chances are you'll feel more comfortable too. Our first behavior relates to proxemic behavior. Line your body up with your speaker. I want you to try the following things to look more warm and confident when you're making small talk. You might consider leaning slightly forwards. Make sure you angle yourself towards your conversation partner. And if you want to look engaged, friendly, and confident, it's important to line your body up symmetrically with your conversation partner. This applies to speaking online as much as face-to-face. Now, at the time of making this episode, obviously, we're in a situation where a social distance of 1.5 meters is needed, but don't angle your body away in spite of this, or you'll appear less interested, engaged, or even confident. Letting your body angles focus forward towards your conversation partner will also make them feel more important and comfortable too. Our second behavior to use is oculesic behavior. Now, this relates to your gaze and your eyes. Your eyes need to behave in the following way. Increase your gaze towards your conversation partner. Don't look away or through them, but by the same measure, don't stare them down either. Aim for moments of mutual contact and don't avoid them, no matter how uncomfortable you feel. At Voice Science, I meet a lot of clients that tell me they're not very comfortable maintaining eye contact, but don't drop the ball on eye contact. And also watch out for moving your gaze around too much. That will make you appear like you're in flight and fight response, and your conversation partner will also struggle to relax. Our third set of behaviors relates to kinesic behaviors. Your movement style really impacts on confident presentation, so watch out for random movements. This will make you look a little bit erratic and ill at ease. Try to be poised and use an open posture with calm, occasional hand gestures. Keep your hands flowing and free when you choose to move them, and also avoid fast head movements. Just tilt your head naturally from time to time, and also ensure that you use slow head nodding, not too fast. Stand symmetrically and face your conversation partner with even, flowing movements if you want to look more confident. Our final set of behaviors relates to vocalic behaviors. Your voice tone builds your impact, and when you're making small talk, it can be easy to use a small, redundant voice. Look, the topic can feel pithy and awkward in small talk, but don't let it reduce your vocal acoustic or volume. Just because you're making small talk doesn't mean your voice should sound completely different and smaller. Aim for more melody and volume in your speaking. Also watch out that you're not interrupting. You'll look more awkward if you do that. And focus on achieving a smooth speech rate. Don't rush it. Focus on giving the other person time to speak and cut some slack for yourself. When you feel uncomfortable communicating, you're usually at risk of speaking too slow or too fast. So I want you to try instead to focus on linking and flowing your words and acknowledge the feelings of time pressure or stress, but draw the line. Don't let those feelings wreak havoc on your speech symmetry. Small talk is a real challenge because it happens at the point before conversational flow is reached. It's normal to feel very uncomfortable during it, but with some strategies, you can really progress. Today, I wanted to show you 4 tools to help you appear more confident when making small talk. I hope this episode has given you some valuable ideas to build your skills in this area. You can also check out this blog post over on our website for even more strategies. I have lots more communication tips you should know about, so be sure to subscribe to our channel to get our next videos and learn more. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!
Enchanté.